Hello and welcome aboard to another episode of Sir Boats Yacht, where we navigate through the fascinating world of maritime vessels. Today, we're setting our sights on a vessel that has gracefully sailed through the annals of Dutch maritime history, the Pieter Caland. This ship isn't just a mode of transportation, it's a floating testament to the evolution of passenger cruising in the Netherlands. From its inception in the 1960s to its modern-day transformations, the Pieter Caland has been a beacon of innovation and elegance on the waters. As we delve into the key features of the Pieter Caland, it's essential to appreciate the meticulous design and engineering that have gone into its construction. Originally built in 1960, the vessel spans an impressive 50.9 meters in length, making it a substantial presence on the waterways. Its design was tailored to accommodate up to 525 passengers, a testament to its role in facilitating large-scale excursions and events. The ship's architecture reflects a harmonious blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal, ensuring that it not only performs efficiently but also provides an inviting atmosphere for its passengers. The design of the Pieter Caland is a masterclass in maritime architecture. Its sleek lines and robust structure are indicative of the era's engineering prowess. The vessel's hull is crafted to offer stability and smooth navigation, crucial for ensuring passenger comfort during cruises. The superstructure is adorned with expansive windows, allowing natural light to flood the interior spaces and offering panoramic views of the surrounding waters. This thoughtful design element enhances the overall cruising experience, connecting passengers with the serene beauty of the maritime environment. Stepping inside the Pieter Caland, one is immediately struck by the attention to detail and the commitment to passenger comfort. The interior spaces are thoughtfully arranged to cater to a variety of activities, from leisurely sightseeing to hosting formal events. The main lounge area is spacious, featuring comfortable seating arrangements that encourage social interaction and relaxation. The decor is elegant yet understated, creating an ambience that is both welcoming and sophisticated. The upper deck of the Pieter Caland is a highlight for many passengers. This open-air space provides an unobstructed view of the surroundings, making it an ideal spot for sightseeing and photography. The deck is equipped with ample seating and safety features, ensuring that passengers can enjoy the fresh air and scenic vistas in comfort and security. Whether cruising through bustling harbors or tranquil waterways, the upper deck offers a unique vantage point to appreciate the journey. In terms of performance, the Pieter Caland is powered by a robust propulsion system that ensures reliable and efficient navigation. The vessel's engines are designed to provide the necessary thrust while maintaining fuel efficiency, a critical factor in sustainable maritime operations. The ship's maneuverability is enhanced by its well-balanced design, allowing it to navigate through various water conditions with ease. This performance capability ensures that passengers experience a smooth and enjoyable cruise, regardless of the itinerary. One of the unique selling points of the Pieter Caland is its adaptability. Over the years, the vessel has undergone several transformations to meet the evolving demands of the maritime industry. Notably, after its tenure with Spido, the ship was repurposed as the Supper Club cruise in Amsterdam, showcasing its versatility in serving different functions. This adaptability underscores the vessel's robust design and the foresight of its original construction, allowing it to remain relevant and functional through changing times. The Pieter Caland's legacy is further enriched by its role in promoting maritime tourism in the Netherlands. As part of the Spido fleet, the vessel played a significant role in offering harbor tours and excursions, providing both locals and tourists with an opportunity to explore the waterways and appreciate the country's maritime heritage. The ship's presence contributed to the popularity of such tours, highlighting the importance of well-designed vessels in enhancing the tourism experience. Moreover, the Pieter Caland has been a platform for numerous events and gatherings, from corporate functions to private celebrations. Its spacious interiors and customizable layouts make it an ideal venue for hosting a variety of events on the water. This multifunctional capability adds to the vessel's appeal, offering a unique setting that combines the charm of maritime travel with the convenience of modern amenities. The vessel's safety features are also noteworthy. Equipped with state-of-the-art navigation systems and safety equipment, the Pieter Caland ensures the well-being of its passengers and crew. Regular maintenance and adherence to safety protocols have been integral to its operations, reflecting a commitment to providing a secure cruising environment. In conclusion, the Pieter Caland stands as a remarkable example of maritime engineering and design. Its enduring presence on the waterways is a testament to its quality construction, adaptability, and the pivotal role it has played in Dutch maritime tourism. For enthusiasts and casual observers alike, the vessel offers a glimpse into the rich tapestry of nautical history and the continuous evolution of passenger cruising. As we dock this episode of Sir Boats Yacht, we invite you to share your experiences and thoughts on the Pieter Caland. Until next time, may your voyages be smooth and your horizons ever expanding.